about modal verbs of ability and intention. Okay, right? So we will look. Yeah, next slide, Ajay. Thank you. Okay, so this is just a picture to show you. These modal verbs are used to express certain meaning. What we can do, what we cannot do, what we hope to do, what we must do, right? So that is why we have all the different expressions here. Okay, right? So they are used to express certain meanings. So as we go on, I hope you will understand what is the term when we say express certain meanings. Okay, certain meanings to the sentence, your intention, what do you hope to do, right? So that is what modals are. Modal verb. Okay, Shanmugam, do you know what is a verb?
Sorry?
Do you know what is a
Yes.
verb? Verb.
Yeah, well, yeah, yeah.
What is verb? Can you tell me?
Mm,
Can you give me an example of a verb?
சண்முகம் வேர்ப்னா என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. சோ இந்த இது ஒரு செயலை செய்யறது வினைச்சொல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. சண்முகம்
இந்த போன வாரத்துக்கு முந்தின வாரம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்கல்ல வெறுப்புன்னு அந்த he is
Is we are okay, action verbs. Jump, eat, sleep, all these are verbs. Okay, so this
yeah,
model is it's another verb used with this verb, right? Can jump, can eat.
yeah.
So we are going
Yes.
to look into such examples, right?
Okay.
Silabo, are you okay?
I'm okay, madam.
Verb, action verbs, like eat, sleep. He is a verb there. I am is a verb, right? All these are verbs. So we're going to, this model is an extra verb that is added to the other verb. Okay, so we're going to look at examples. Right, so next slide. Okay, so the two verbs that we are going to look at today are may and may not. Okay, and this is also to show permission. May and may not. Okay, so it is permission to do something or what we are allowed to do when you use the word may with the verb. Okay, right? So here, look at the first sentence, right? May we have some buddies, right? May is the modal verb. Okay, have is the root word, H-A-V-E, have. Okay, so may we have some buddies, right? And another example of using may not, right? You may not eat the buddies. Now, why can't you eat the buddies? As it is for our guests. Okay, right? What do you mean by guests? Silambu?
Guest mean relative, friends,
Yeah,
all like that.
right. Very good. People who come in to your house, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Right. So you may not. So may not is the modal verb.
Okay.
Right. Eat is the root word. You see, eat is another verb. So may not explains the verb eat. You may not eat the buddies as it is for our guests. Okay. Now, next sentence, another example. May I read a book? So you're asking for permission, right? May I read a book? You're asking for permission. So may, what is the other verb? Who can pick? Shanmugam, can you pick up the verb?
Read.
Read. Very good. Read.
May I read? May I read the book? Yeah, read. Read is the verb.
Yes.
Yeah.
So may read. May is the modal verb. Okay. Right.
Yeah, okay.
Kanti,
So,
Karthik has also joined.
oh, Karthik. Okay. Good. Good evening, Karthik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. Right. So hope you had a good week, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Yeah. Okay. So we are just moving on. I was just
Okay.
starting
Okay,
the
ma'am.
use of more model verbs. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
So
I before also I joined the starting time.
what is that?
The joining time you starting time I joined already, ma'am.
Yeah. I know. Ajay, can you go back to the previous slide? I've not finished the sentence. So yeah, thank you. So may I read a book? Okay. The next sentence, you may read a book as it is the reading period now. So you have asked for permission and you're given the permission, what you are allowed to do. You can read the book. The other one is you cannot eat the vade because it is for our guests. Right? So what we are allowed to do. Right? So may not, may, read is the verb. And the verb and may is the modal verb. Right?
Okay.
Any questions so far? Are you all clear? Can
Clear.
I go on?
Yeah, can.
Okay, thank you. Right, next. Where it shows a rule. Okay. So when you have the rule, the modal verb is must and must not. Okay. Must means you have to do it. Right? Okay, we all must eat so that we can live. Right? If we don't eat, we will fall sick. Right? So must not. Right? What we should not be doing. Okay, what not to do. That is must not. Okay, right. So we'll put it into a sentence. Right? So it means this is like a rule. We put it into a sentence. Right. So all of us, what is happening now? Right? We are having the COVID, right? So all of us, we must wear a mask before we leave the house during the pandemic. So we must, it is compulsory. We have to do it. Otherwise, what will happen if you don't wear a mask? Karthik, what will happen if you don't wear a mask?
COVID positive.
Huh? COVID
No.
will pass to you. Okay.
No.
Besides
No.
that, what will the government do?
We'll find you.
Yeah, good. Right. They'll find you exactly. Right. So that is the use of the word. See, so must. So where's the verb here? Silambu. Where's the other verb? Where's the root verb? Must is the modal verb.
Where?
Where? Very good. So
We must wear the mask before
Yeah,
we
so
leave
where?
the house. During
Yeah.
where? Where is the verb?
So where is the action verb here? Right? We must wear a mask. And then next one, he must take his medicine to get well. If you're sick, you must take your medicine, right? Otherwise, you will not get well. Right? So this is something that we have to do. So that's how the use of the word must comes in. Right? So now the negative must not, right? You must not tell lies. Right? Always we have to be honest. Right? You must not tell lies. Right? Next sentence. You must not play with fire. Okay, right? You must not play. Okay, Shanmugam, in the first sentence, where is the other verb?
Which one? The
You must not tell lies. You must not tell lies. Where's the other verb? Must not is the modal verb. Where's the other verb?
Other verb is the tell.
Tell, very good. Okay, so you must not tell. So the modal verb is used with another verb to give a meaning to that sentence.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So the other one, Karthik, which is the
You
verb
you
in
must
this?
not play with fire.
Play,
So
ma'am.
must not is the modal verb. The other verb is
Play.
play. Very good. Okay, right. So that is how we use modal verbs. Next slide, Ajay. Thank you. Right. Okay. Again, to say it to express certain meaning. So now we are going to look at the meaning of the ability. Right. The modal verb which shows ability. So the first one is can. Know how to do. Right. Or cannot. Do not know how to do. Right. So this is a model. These are the two modal verbs that we're going to look at next. Can and cannot. Right. Okay. So know how to do. Do not know how to do. Next slide, Ajay. Right. So here, meaning of to show ability, you're able to do something. So I can make chicken curry. Right. So Silambu, where is the verb in this sentence? Can is the modal verb.
Make.
Make.
I
Very good.
cannot make a chicken
Yeah,
rice.
I can make, and the other one is I cannot make
Chicken rice.
chicken rice. Right. Okay. I cannot make. I can make chicken curry, but I
I
cannot
can
make chicken rice.
I can
Right.
make
So
a
again,
chicken
so it shows ability. So when you say you cannot make, means you don't know how to make chicken rice. Okay. Right. Next one, for more examples. Birds can fly. Right. Okay. So Shanmugam, which is the verb here? Another verb. Can is the modal verb.
Fly.
Fly. Yes. So that's the action verb. You see, verbs are all action verbs. And the next one is sheep cannot
Sing.
sing. So sing is the action verb
Action
here
verb, yeah.
again. And cannot is the modal verb.
Yeah.
Okay, so sheep cannot sing, so not possible. It has no ability. Sheep, right? They make sounds. That's all. Right? So birds can fly. Right? So next slide. Okay. Right. So the last lot of words of modal verbs that we're looking at is shall and will, which means future action. What is future? Jaren, you can tell them what is the future?
ஃபியூச்சர்னா எதிர்காலத்துல நடக்கிறது. இப்போ எதிர்காலத்துல நடக்கிறதா ஃபியூச்சர்ல. ஓகே, ஃபியூச்சர் தெரியும்ல, எதிர்காலம். Yeah.
Okay, so we use them to talk about actions that's going to happen, going to happen only, right? It has not taken place. It's going to happen in the future, maybe tomorrow or the day after, or maybe 1 week or 2 months later. Okay, in the future. Okay, right? So the two main words are shall and will, the two modal verbs, right? So the first one is, we shall have a boat ride on the river next Monday. Okay, we shall have. So it's only coming next Monday only. So you use the modal verb shall. We shall have a boat ride on the river next Monday. Right? So you're talking about the future. When you talk about the future, you use the word shall. And who is going to row the boat? Mr. Kannan will row the boat then. Okay, right? So Mr. Kannan will row the boat. Right? And Silambu, where is the verb in the first one? We shall have a boat ride on the river next Monday. shall is the modal verb. Where's the other verb?
Have
Huh?
uh,
What is it?
have a boat ride on the river next Monday.
No, no. I want the verb only. Just give me the verb. Shall is the modal verb. What is another verb? Shall is the modal verb. So another verb, the shall is used with another verb to give a meaning, right? To give a meaning to that verb, to that sentence. So which is the other verb that you have?
I think have.
Have. Yes, that's right.
I think have.
Yeah.
We shall have a boat ride on the river next
Next
Monday.
Monday. Good.
The verb
Okay.
is the have.
Have. Yes.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
right.
okay.
Okay, good. And Karthik, sorry,
Next goal, yeah.
the next sentence, which is the verb here? Mr.
Row,
Kannan will row the boat. Which
Row.
is the
Row.
row, right?
Row.
Good. Okay, row, will row, right? So the modal verb and then the root verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Okay.
So we are going to have sentences just to show you the table. Right. Okay. So we will try to make a sentence. You see, so when we have a sentence, we need a subject. Okay. Right. There always must be a subject. Who is doing the action? Who are you talking about? That is what the subject is. Then the modal verb, okay, and the supporting verb, the root verb, okay, and then your noun or your adjective, whatever it is that you want to explain, okay, to fill up the sentence.
Okay.
Right. So we are going to try. You can make the sentence in any way, but you see, these are the subjects: I, you, he, she, we, one, they.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Okay. I may open the windows.
Very good. Who is this? Who is speaking?
Shanmuga Sundaram.
Shanmuga Sundaram. Very good. Very good. I may open the windows. Good. Okay. Right. So it is something that you are seeking for permission. Right. I may open the window. Someone is giving you permission.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Karthik, can you make with the word you? Make with the subject you.
You may not open the windows.
Okay, you can. You may not open the window. So here, you are not given permission to open the window.
Yes.
Okay, right? You may not open the windows.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Silambu, he or Ajay.
Ajay must be a nice to other, nice to or
Our
hike birds.
neighbors.
Sorry, neighbors.
Neighbors. You know who are your neighbors?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ajay must be a nice to or neighbors.
Okay, good.
அண்டை வீட்டார் பக்கத்து வீட்டார் அந்த மாதிரி.
Yes, neighbors are people who stay next to us. Right, next to you. Okay, right. Ajay must be nice to our neighbors. Okay. Next, Shanmugam, she. Make a sentence with the word she or Sarah. Shanmugam, are you around?
Yes.
Right. Can you make with the word with the subject?
Sarah must be forgiving to those who open us.
Offend us.
Offend us. Yeah.
Offend us means those who do wrong to us. Okay, we must forgive. Learn how to forgive. Forgive those who wrong us, offend us. Sometimes they don't say good things about us. They say unpleasant things. So your feelings are hurt. So he say offend us. Offend us. Very good. Right. Can we move on? Silambu. Next B.
We must not play the wires.
We must not play with the wires. Good. Okay. So dangerous. Somebody can get electrocuted, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right. So we must not play with the fires. Karthik, 1.
One must not play with the knife.
9. Good. One must not play with the knife. So this is just to show you how a sentence is broken up. Right? This is your subject. You see, one must not play with the knife. So you must have a subject. Okay. And the last one, Shanmugam.
They must not play with animals.
Good. They must not play with stray animals. You all know what are stray animals?
Stray meaning.
Yeah. You all know what it means? Stray animals. Right?
No, I don't understand. Stray meaning I don't understand.
You don't understand. Jaren, can you explain to them?
Yeah, stray animals na வந்து so maybe
அதாவது they must not playங்கும்போது நம்ம வந்து அது கூட விளையாட
yeah,
கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி
so
வருது.
அது ரொம்ப ஒரு ஹர்ட்
அனிமல் கூட நம்ம விளையாட கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி வருது. பட் இந்த
maybe தவறான விலங்குகள் நீ விளையாட கூடாத விலங்குகள் கரெக்ட் தான். தவறான
stray animals would be like, sometimes you see a dog on the road.
No, I know, but the stray must not play. Okay, I know, but animals I know. The stray meaning?
Stray, yeah. That means these dogs, they don't have a home. They don't have a master. They are just loose on the road. Sometimes the master will just leave them on the road. They don't want them. So they become stray animals or cats. They just walk around. Sometimes you see these cats under the block. Under the block or at your dormitory, they have no master. There is nobody is looking after them. So these are known as stray animals. Are you all clear?
Yeah, ரோட்ல சும்மா கிடக்குற அனிமல்ஸ். ஸோ அதான் சொன்னாங்கல்ல, பூனை நாய்கள்லாம். ஸோ ஓனர்ஸ் இல்லாத அனிமல்ஸ்.
What do you say, owner? No master? What is it in Tamil?
Stray meaning means what? வழித்தவறியா?
தவறான. அதாவது ஆக்சுவலா அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்ப சில பேர் வந்து அதை வந்து பெட்டை வளர்ப்பாங்கல்ல, இது வந்து ரோட்ல அலையிறது.
they must not play with stray animalsங்கும்போது அதாவது ஏதாவது ஒரு தவறான ஒரு அனிமல்ஸ் கூட நம்ம வந்து விளையாட கூடாது.
தவறான இல்ல. Jaren said what?
வழித்தவறி.
Valithaviri is for people. You must not stray from the right path. But these animals are those which animals, they don't have a home. They just walk around along the road. Sometimes you see dogs and all just walking, right? So that is what they mean by stray animals. That means they don't have a master. They don't have a home. Do you all understand?
Okay, I understand.
Just these animals which walk on the road, but they don't, they cannot go to a home. They have no one to look after them.
Okay.
Okay, so that is what they mean by stray animals. Okay, right. Okay, I think we'll just move. Ajay, I think we'll skip this. We'll go to the sentences. Yeah. Okay, they have got the idea. Okay, so we will try the sentences here for practice. Okay. Silabu, can you start? Number 1.
Peter will must help us when he's free.
Now, this is for the future. So when it's in the future, you use will or must. Future. Just now I taught you
Future.
about
Oh,
huh?
will.
Will. Very good.
Will.
Okay, can you read
Peter
the
will
sentence?
help. Peter will help us when he he is free. Like,
Yeah. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, next, Shanmugam, number 2.
I can wash my hands before I eat.
But here, this one is also in the future. Or
Yeah.
all the time when you do, not you use can. Is it what would be a better word than can?
Can?
No, instead of can, because you know, is I can wash my hands, right? But
I
Okay.
shall wash my
something
hand before
that
I
you do
eat.
I shall-
every day. Huh?
Oh, okay. I shall wash my hands before I eat.
Yes. Okay. Something that you do every day.
Yeah,
Every
okay.
time. Yeah, every time. Now, even more with the COVID, you have to go and wash your
Yeah,
hands all the time, right?
Okay.
So I shall wash my hands.
I shall
Very
wash my hand before I eat. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Karthik, next, number 3. This is ability, showing ability, right? Karthik, number 3.
But I can do. The girl can dance as she is the
Ballerina.
ballerina. Can
Okay,
this
very
girl
good.
can dance as
Yes,
she is the ballerina? Okay.
very good. Okay, you all know what is a ballerina? You know, the one they on their toes. Huh? They dance on their toes. Okay, it's an English form of dance. Ballerina. Ballet. Right, next, number 4. Salamu. It's a rule. Okay, they've given you a hint. Rule. Number 4, syllable.
You will not show in the library.
No,
Please
you
be
will not or
accused.
cannot.
Not. Cannot.
Good. Okay, go on. Read the
Cannot solve.
Shout. Shout.
Shout. விற்பனைக்கு இல்லைன்ற மாதிரி. Shout. In the library. Please. Sorry.
Please.
Quiet.
Please be quiet.
Be quiet.
Be quiet.
So you cannot shout in the library. You cannot make noise. Please be good. Why you cannot make noise in the library? Because everyone wants to read, right?
Yeah.
Library. No, so you shouldn't be making noise, right? Or talking loudly in the library. Okay, number 5. Could I have the Shanmugam?
The cook is busy. Must we help him?
Here, look, this one is in the permission. Seeking permission. So what would be a better word? Must is you must do it, right? So the cook,
Maybe.
yeah. Okay.
The cook is busy. May we help him?
Right. Good. May we help him? Next. Karthik.
Okay.
Number 6. Again, it's permission.
I think the letter will may not leave if she has not finished her work.
Very good. Okay, Lata may not leave if she has not finished.
Lata.
Lata. Yes.
Lata.
Right.
Lata means the LATHA, but here LATA.
This one is North
Okay.
Indian letter.
I don't know, maybe it's a latest variation.
South Indian, I know, South Indian, you got H. Okay.
I don't know. I think Lata. I don't know. This way I say Lata.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Lata may not leave if she has not finished her work.
Very good. Thank you. Number 7, Silamu.
Uh,
Okay, this is
children
school
should
obligation. Number 7.
children must not be rude to their parents.
Children must not be, not shall not, must not be rude to their parents. Good. Okay, right? So we must always, because we are rude to our parents will be very hurt. Okay, right? So must not. And the last one, Shanmugam.
Students must or can. Students must
This one is
can.
you have to do. Have. Compulsory.
Must.
Must. Yes.
Students must obey the school rules.
Very good. Okay, must obey the school rules. You go to school, you must obey the school rules. Okay, right. Good.
Enna problem? Sorry.
Okay. Now this one is your matching. You pick one from this one. You see the word one, and then you match it with A, B, C, D, E, or F. Okay, right? So you look at the sentences. I'll just give you a minute for you to look at the sentences, right? And then we will do a matching. Okay, what do you think would be a good answer to match with the sentence from the left to your right? Okay. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, we'll try. Okay, Karthik, can you start with the number 1?
We need not worry. So the children can go out to play. Wrong.
So you look at the sentence, we need not worry. Right? So what would you think is the best sentence which can match this first part? We need not worry. Okay, we need not worry. So what do you
கத்தி கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. அதாவது நம்ம வந்து கவலையே பட வேண்டாம். ஏன்?
Okay, ma'am. We need not worry. God will take care of us.
Very good.
Very good. Yes, that's the best answer, right? We need not worry, as God will take care of us. Right? Okay. All of you believe in God, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Right. So God will take care of us. Okay. Number 2, Sulambu. Number 2, what would be the best answer?
So the children can go out to play.
Very good. Okay, can you read the first part again? It is
it's
evening,
so these children can go out to play.
okay, very good. School this evening, so the children can go. Very good. Okay, right. Next, Shanmugam,
Yes.
number 3.
when this class finished.
Yeah, number 3. So when this class is finished, when we are going to finish
I
our
shall share my notes with you.
no, when this class is finished, you can, yes, it's a good option. I shall share my notes with you. Or what will happen when our class
The
today
class
finish?
finished.
Huh?
Class finished. Maybe I will go shopping for.
Yeah,
Oh.
actually you have a lot of options. Yes. Okay.
A lot of options. So maybe now I'm meeting you. Now the class English course finished. Maybe I go to shopping. Maybe I share with somebody. Many
Okay.
answers here. So I don't know which answer. I have the 2 answers. So
Two
I don't know
answers.
which one.
You can also have another answer when at the end of our class.
இப்ப எந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கீங்க?
So Zoom meeting. So
So
you may leave the Zoom meeting.
Very good. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, the next one, number 4. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
இதுதான் வருமா? ரெண்டு ஆன்சர் எனக்கு தோணுச்சு. சரி, ஓகே, நோ.
The land is being polluted.
So, if it's our land is being polluted, what would be the best answer?
Therefore, we must reduce plastic waste.
Well done. Good. Okay. Therefore, we must reduce plastic waste. Yeah. You know what is happening, right? A lot of pollution, so much of plastic that is being thrown out. We make use. So we have to learn how to recycle and reuse our bags. Okay. Right. Number 5, Selambu. Okay, so you have number 5 and number 6. Only 2 sentences left and 2 options. So what do you think would be the best one for number 5?
சிலம்பு இருக்கீங்களா?
இருக்கேன்.
மஞ்சா புரியுதா? நீங்க வந்து என்கிட்ட கேட்டதுனால, since you asked for it, என்கிட்ட நீங்க கேட்டதுனால
So you have only 2 options left, right? C or E.
I shall share my notes with you.
Very good. I shall share since you asked for it. Okay, you asked for my notes. I will share it with you. Okay, right? And Shanmugam. Number 6.
Shanmugam. Last one answer only. So after work ends, I will go shopping for what meaning?
Groceries.
Groceries.
What are groceries?
I don't understand.
Don't understand.
மளிகை ஜாமான். Okay, அதான்.
Groceries, மளிகை ஜாமானா?
Yes. Okay, whatever you want to buy.
நான் அப்புறம் செக் பண்றேன். Okay.
Okay, you want to buy onions, you want to buy sardine tin, these are all your groceries, bread, eggs. Okay, all these are groceries.
Oh, okay.
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 So
I understand.
when you go to the supermarket, you shop for groceries. Okay.
Grocery, sometimes vegetable.
Yes.
Grocery means it's the maligai jaman. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, well done. Okay.
Thank you.
So we will go to our conversation. We're going to talk about movies. Do you all like to watch movies?
I don't like movies.
You don't like?
I don't see movie. I don't like.
Oh, you don't like. Okay. Who is this? Shanmugam, is it?
Yeah, Shanmugam, yeah.
You don't like. Okay. So, Silambu, since Shanmugam doesn't like movies, I'll ask you, do you like watching movies?
Who? You
Silambu.
asked me Silambu. Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, I like watching.
Okay, so what is your favorite movie that you have watched? You got so many favorite movies.
Oh, sorry. What is the favorite movie? Yeah.
Ah,
Mm, I don't have any favorite movie. All movie can see. Before I see now, I know see movie ready. So because I cannot say anything. Oh, okay. Sorry.
what about the movies you have watched earlier? You have one favorite movie?
I think. Sorry. I long time ready. The movie I see very long time ready. So I.
Yeah, so you should have had one favorite movie, I'm sure. Just give me a name of one movie.
Okay. Before 2000, can I tell you before 2000?
Ah, can.
Because after 2000, I don't like ready. Before 2000, I see movie, Tamil movie, Tullada Manaman Tullum.
Okay, very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I very like this movie. Yeah,
So you like Tamil movies?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So why do you like this movie? What did you like about this movie that you?
Because the story very nice story. The song also very nice. Everything okay. This movie,
Is it-
I
is
very
it a-
like this movie.
Yeah, is
This
it
one
a
is the love story because it's a love story also.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Okay.
But one thing, I don't like love. I don't how to say. I don't know. Okay, no problem. I like this movie. Okay, nobody.
Okay. So when did you see this movie? When do you see this movie? When do you see this favorite movie of yours?
Wait, I don't know, but I see ready, but the years I don't know.
You can't remember when you saw it.
I don't know. Okay, I thinking.
You saw it in which year or before you came to Singapore? Is it?
அம்மா, ஏதாவது
Oh,
ஒண்ணு
India.
இங்கிலீஷ் தானே பேசலாம். ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு சொல்லுங்க. ஏதாவது ஒரு இயர் சொல்லுங்க.
When did you see this movie?
I don't know, but because I very long time years ready, so I cannot remember.
Many years ago, so you cannot remember. Good. I
Yeah.
mean, this is how we mean by conversation. You are able.
Yeah, because I very now 2021. Because before 2000 before I see the release time very maybe 2 years 3 years after I see ready this movie. So because I say 2000 before.
Okay.
Maybe
Before
release
2000.
maybe 98 release maybe I see the 99 or 2000.
Okay.
I don't know the remember. I don't have the remember the date.
Okay, very good. Yeah, good. Okay, who are the actors in it? Can you tell us who are the actors?
Actor is the hero is the Vijay. Heroine is Simran.
Okay.
Villain is Ponnambalam.
Okay.
And Manivannan. Many actors have. Yeah,
Many actors. Very
yeah,
good.
Vayaburi, many people have.
Okay, good. You see, that's how you carry on a conversation. Okay. Thank you, Silambu.
No, Shanmugam. Yeah,
Oh, Shanmugam.
yeah.
I thought Shanmugam, you don't like watching movies?
Just like no, now I know. Just now I said the favorite movie before I. Just now I tell you already,
Okay.
right? Before 2000, before I see you.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Right. Okay, so we will move on to the next one. Yeah, because we are running out of time.
Okay, this movie release date 1999.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you Google.
I think 2000 I see release.
Okay, thank you. Right. Okay, Karthik, can we have a conversation on the season? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Jaren, can you tell them what is season?
திசா தெரியும்ல, காலங்கள்.
தெரியும் ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So which season do you like most?
I like cold season.
Very good. Thank you. You like the cold season. Okay. So do you know what is a word to describe? Okay. I think in India and all, we don't have very cold season unless you go to the north, right?
Yes.
Go to North India, you will have very cold season, right?
Yes.
And you can have what is known as winter.
Winter.
Winter means very cold.
Oh.
So what can you have during winter? Why do you like the cold season?
The cold season, many flower, vegetable all fresh.
Vegetables are fresh.
Flowers.
Okay.
Vegetable and flowers fresh.
Oh, you like the flower season.
Yes, flower season.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, that's a nice way of saying why you like a cold season. Very good. Okay, so what do you do when the cold season comes? What do you do during the season? What do you do?
I do this season go.
What do you do? You go for?
I do this season vacation.
You do a vacation during, yes, very good. Yes. Okay, because when it's cooler, it's more pleasant to go for your holiday, for a vacation.
Yes.
Good. Well done. And where do you spend? Where do you go when this cold season comes? Can you name me a place?
Yes, I go Ooty, Kodaikanal.
Good. Yes, very good. Yeah, these are the cooler areas in Tamil Nadu, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooty and Kodaikanal. Yes, very good. Well done. Okay. Silambu,
Yes.
would you be able to share about which season you like most?
So this.
Pardon?
Okay.
Which season do you like most?
Same like a cold season.
Pardon?
Rain
Like the-
season. Rain season.
You like the rainy season. Very good. Okay. Why do you like the rainy season?
Rain water. I go rain time. I go swimming the river place like that. Go Mysore. Yeah, river have, then I go swimming this area. Mysore there.
Okay,
Shivamogam, Mysore and Shivamogam.
Oh, okay. So you come from Karnataka, is it?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, good. So you like the rainy season because that's the time you go to the river and have a swim. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
good.
A cold place, some very cool place there also.
Okay, it's also cooler. Very good.
Cool area.
Yeah, so you answer the next question. Oh, okay. What do you do in this season? You just said you go for a swim. Okay, during the rainy season, and it's also very cool.
Yes.
Okay, and where do you spend it? Can you name me the places? Where do you spend this time when it's raining and when it's cool? Where do you
Mysore.
spend? Can you name me the places?
Mysore.
In Mysore. Okay, very good. Yes. Do you stay in Mysore?
No, Bangalore.
Oh, you stay in Bangalore, but from Bangalore you go to Mysore.
Yes, yes. Bike ride. Bike
Okay.
ride also I like. This rain time bike riding.
Right, very good. Thank you. Okay, next, Ajay, next. Okay, right. We are going on to school. Right? Do all of you enjoy going to school? Did you all enjoy going to school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, Shanmugam, what was your favorite subject in school?
Yes, ma'am.
What was your favorite subject?
Tamil.
Your favorite subject was Tamil. Okay,
Yeah.
so why do you like Tamil?
Because I born out of Tamil Nadu, so I like Tamil.
Because it's your mother tongue.
My mother language is the Tamil. So I like Tamil.
So you enjoy learning of the language,
Yeah.
right? Very good. Okay. And how often do you study this language? How often?
How often did you study?
There is a time. How much of time do you spend on studying your language? How often?
Often meaning Tamil another. How often did you study it?
How often? How much time do you spend on your studying Tamil? You study 3 hours.
இப்ப நீங்க ஸ்கூல்ல படிக்கும்போது எவ்வளவு
every
ஹவர்ஸ் வந்து
day.
ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க தமிழ் படிக்கிறதுக்கு?
Do you study it every
Particular
day?
studying maybe class la வந்து the class time is maybe 45 minutes 1 hour.
Uh-huh. So is it a lesson you have every
Yeah,
day?
what time is the lesson? I study it only.
Okay, only so is this lesson every day or is
Yeah,
it
every day 2 time have. Every day
okay,
maybe 42 hours 2 hours.
2 hours? Okay.
Yeah.
So every day you are studying Tamil for 2 hours, right? So I study Tamil for 2 hours every day.
Yeah, I
Can
study in Tamil.
Can you say
2
that
hours.
in a sentence? I study Tamil.
I study Tamil in every day 2 hours.
I study Tamil for 2 hours every day.
In every day, okay.
Can you say that again? I study Tamil
I study Tamil
for
for
2 hours. For 2 hours. Shanmugam,
yeah.
I study Tamil
Tamil
for 2 hours
for 2 hours
every day.
for every day.
No need for every day. I study Tamil for because you say for 2 hours already, so you don't have to use for again. I study Tamil for 2 hours every day.
Every day, okay.
Right. Okay. Right. Next. Ajay. Okay. So this is your holidays, right? So we have Karthik.
Okay, ma'am.
What is your favorite holiday? Now we have so many holidays, right?
Yes.
So which is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday, Deepavali.
Very good. Okay, it's Deepavali. Right. So why do you like this holiday?
I like this Deepavali. Many friends coming. Sweet, patasu. Many have new dress.
No. Okay, what is patas in English? It
Ma'am.
is crackers.
Oh,
Crackers. Huh? Okay.
Crackers.
You play crackers. Okay.
okay.
And then what else?
I like crackers, sweets.
What do you eat and drink on this day?
I eat mutton, chicken.
Mutton and chicken. Okay. And what do you have for drink?
No drinks, ma'am. Only juice.
Well done. Yeah. When they say drink, juice is a drink.
Yes.
Okay? It doesn't mean you have to drink alcohol. No. Okay. When they ask you what you drink, I drink juice. Okay. I drink Coca-Cola. I drink 7-Up.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So you eat chicken and mutton. Okay. What about do you have snacks? Do you eat snacks?
But murukku,
Yes.
something, many item, ma'am. Sample
Yes.
item.
Okay. Right. So who makes all these things? Who makes these things for you?
My mother making.
Your mother makes it for you. Yeah. Good. Okay.
Uh,
So where do you spend this holiday, this favorite holiday? Where do you like spending it?
family, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Can you write say in a full sentence? I like to spend it
I like to spend
with my family.
I like to spend it with family.
With my
With my family.
family. Okay. Good.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. And the last one. We finish off with the last one. Okay. Okay. Any one of you want to share on this? What is your favorite music? All of you can share. Anyone, or you can just take one sentence and share. What is your favorite music? Anyone? Shanmugam, Selambu, Karthik. Any one of you? What is your favorite music?
My favorite music, the folk music.
Pop music. Okay.
Folk music.
Uh,
Folk music.
Pop music. POP, is it?
Folk.
Oh, folk music. Ah, very
Yes.
good. Okay, this folk music is in what language?
Tamil.
In okay, the folk music is in Tamil.
Folk
Okay.
music is in Tamil.
Oh, very good. Okay, so why do you like this folk music?
I don't know, ma'am. How do I say? I like only, ma'am. How do I do? I say I don't.
Okay, you like the folk. Is it because it's got a meaningful, or is it because you like the instruments, the music that
Yeah.
that
I like the instrument.
you like the instruments?
Yeah,
Okay,
instrument.
that make this folk music. Yeah, very good. Okay, right. When do you listen to this folk music?
Yesterday night.
Every night? Okay, can you write tell in a full sentence?
I listening.
I listen
I listen to
the folk music
every night.
Very good. Okay, I listen to the folk music every night. Well done.
Okay.
And who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer SPP and Chitra.
Oh, it's Chitra.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Okay. Anyone else wants to talk on this music? Anyone wants to talk about your favorite music? We heard about folk music. Anyone else has a different? Anybody else wants to try? Karthik,
Nobody try.
சிலம்பு ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.
Silambu.
I like music in Vyabari movie, in a mother song. It's very interesting. Every day, one time can listen. Vyabari.
What music is that?
Music name don't know. Movie name is Vyabari.
Oh, the movie's name. Oh, okay. So why do you like this? The songs from this movie?
This one feel is son and mother feelings.
Oh, okay. The song tells you about feelings between the mother and the son, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so
Son is singing, the mother full feeling is explained his mother like that.
okay, so the mother's feelings are explained in the song. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so when do you listen to this to all these songs?
Last time I yesterday listened, but this is first time listening. Almost 6 years before first time listening.
6 years. 6 years ago. Huh?
6 years ago on first time.
I listened to the song. Very good. So who is your favorite singer? Do you have
Yeah.
any favorite singers, Silambu?
Favorite singer is so
Which singer do you like to listen to?
A.R. Rahman music also I listen.
Oh, you like A.R. Rahman's music, right? Good. Okay, you think he's a very good composer?
Yeah, very good composer and singer also.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Well done. Okay. So I hope all of you enjoyed our lessons. Okay,
Yes.
that we have had, and we wish you all the best. Okay. Right. So have a good week